Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account. This lets you make system-level changes. Once done, record any static IP or DNS entries so you can restore them later, then open Control Panel and navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Make sure you click Change Adapter Settings and identify the network adapter you use. The adapter name and status matter. From here, you can run a quick right-click diagnose to gather errors. But next, we'll execute the reset steps that actually clear the network stack. Open an elevated command prompt by typing cmd in start, then choose Run as administrator. This is required for netch commands. First, run netch winsock reset to clear socket catalog corruption, then netch int IP reset to rewrite TCP/IP registry keys. These fix many protocol faults. Next, run ipconfig/release, followed by ipconfig/renew to obtain fresh leases, and ipconfig/flushtons to clear DNS cache. Together, these commands refresh addressing and name resolution. Make sure each command completes without errors before rebooting. After running the commands, reboot immediately so Windows applies registry and driver resets. This completes the reset process. Once the system boots, check Network and Sharing Center and re-enter any saved static IP/DNS values if needed, or simply disable and re-enable the adapter to force a new connection. If you still have issues, open Device Manager and update the network driver, or roll it back if a recent update caused trouble. This driver step is the single most effective troubleshooting tip if resets don't restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.